Want to feel more energetic, lose weight, and stay healthy without giving up delicious food? Then this video is for you. Healthy eating doesn't mean boring or expensive meals. Today I'll show you 5 super easy, budget-friendly, and delicious healthy foods you can start eating right now. Let's start simple. A fresh veggie salad is one of the easiest and most effective healthy meals you can make in your daily life. You don't need to be a professional chef or spend a lot of money to prepare something that is truly good for your body. Just imagine a bowl filled with fresh cucumber, juicy tomatoes, crunchy carrots, and crispy lettuce. The colors alone make it look so refreshing and appetizing. But it's not just about looks. This simple meal is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help your body function better every day. Ingredients: cucumber, tomato, carrot, lettuce. Now, to make it even more delicious without making it unhealthy, simply add a little bit of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This small addition enhances the flavor naturally while keeping it clean and nutritious. Add a little olive oil plus lemon juice. This salad is perfect for anyone trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's low in calories but high in nutrients, which means you can eat it without guilt while still feeling satisfied. It also helps improve digestion and keeps your body feeling light and active throughout the day. Packed with vitamins, low in calories, and perfect for weight loss. Need protein? This combo is powerful and incredibly effective for your body. When it comes to building strength, staying full longer, and maintaining energy levels, protein plays a very important role. 2 boiled eggs, 1 avocado. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of high-quality protein. They are simple, affordable, and full of nutrients that support muscle growth and overall health. On the other hand, avocado is rich in healthy fats that are essential for your heart and brain. When you combine these two, you get a balanced and satisfying meal that not only tastes good but also keeps you full for a longer time. This means fewer cravings and better control over your eating habits. This is a perfect choice for breakfast or even as a quick snack during a busy day. It fuels your body, sharpens your focus, and helps you stay active. Eggs give you protein, and avocado provides healthy fats, keeping you full for longer. This is a perfect balanced meal that gives your body everything it needs to stay strong and energized. If you are looking for a proper lunch or dinner option, this combination is one of the best choices you can make. Brown rice, grilled chicken, steamed vegetables. Brown rice provides complex carbohydrates, which means it releases energy slowly and keeps you active for a longer period of time. Grilled chicken is packed with lean protein, helping your muscles grow and recover. And steamed vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and essential nutrients that support your overall health. This meal is not only healthy but also very satisfying. It fills your stomach without making you feel heavy or lazy. Unlike fast food, this kind of meal supports your fitness goals and improves your daily performance. When you eat balanced meals like this regularly, you will notice better energy levels, improved digestion, and a healthier body overall. High protein, high fiber, and great for muscle and energy. Craving something sweet but still want to stay healthy? Don't worry, there's always a better option. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks or junk food, you can enjoy a delicious and refreshing fruit smoothie. Banana, strawberry, milk or yogurt. Just blend these ingredients together, and within seconds you have a naturally sweet, creamy and nutritious drink. It's perfect for breakfast, post-workout recovery, or even as a quick snack during the day. The best part is that this smoothie contains natural sugars from fruits, which are much healthier compared to processed sugar. It also provides vitamins, antioxidants, and energy that your body needs. This is a great example of how healthy food can also be tasty and enjoyable. You don't have to sacrifice flavor to eat clean. Natural sugar, no junk, perfect for breakfast or snacks. Small but powerful. This is the perfect way to describe nuts and dry fruits. Even though they are small in size, they are packed with nutrients that provide big benefits to your body. Almonds, walnuts, dates. These foods are excellent for brain health, helping improve memory and focus. They also provide a quick and natural energy boost, making them perfect for busy days when you need something fast and healthy. Instead of eating chips or processed snacks, you can simply grab a handful of almonds, walnuts, or dates. They are convenient, nutritious, and very satisfying. Adding them to your daily routine can make a huge difference over time. They support your overall health and keep you energized throughout the day. Great for brain health and quick energy boost. Healthy eating is not about strict dieting, it's about making better choices every day. Start with just one meal from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips.